Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to take a screenshot, we have to press the volume button and the power button at the same time. And I'm just going to press my button like this. Oops, sorry guys, we have to press it at the same time. Okay, and now this screenshot has been taken, and there is another way to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can use the assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like. You just need to click on this assistant menu and you have to select screenshot. Okay, and if you haven't activated this assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can activate it on your setting. You just need to go to setting, and then you have to go to the accessibility setting. You can scroll down to find this accessibility setting and then go to interaction and dexterity, and here you can activate the assistant menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.